In today's quick XRP video, I want to show you a signal that is right now flashing, and the last few times that we had this signal, a huge rally occurred in the price of XRP. So I want to show you what this means, how you can benefit from it, and what I expect that is right now going to happen. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So guys, this is the daily time frame, and I've actually enabled the EMA ribbons. For those of you not familiar with the EMA ribbons, let me explain to you very briefly. I'm not going to read this entire thing. This is from Google, but just a very short part. An EMA ribbon is a technical analysis tool that uses a series of exponential moving average EMAs of different lengths plotted on the same chart to identify trends and momentum. It appears as a ribbon of colored lines with the width and angle indicating the trend strength and the color stacking revealing the direction. So let me now remove this. So yeah, here we have the EMA ribbons. So basically, if you trade above the EMA ribbons, it indicates very strong bullish momentum. Whenever you trade below the EMA ribbons, it indicates bearish momentum. And just understand that these moving averages, these EMAs, are lagging indicators. And this is very important to remember because I'm going to show you why this is actually important. So whenever we see the bearish flip of the ribbon, so when they come from a bullish trend and when they convert into a bearish trend, so here down below, that is usually, believe it or not, a very good buying opportunity because once again, moving averages are lagging indicators. So yeah, you can see that over here. Had you bought XRP on this exact bearish flip or whenever the ribbons were fully overextended to the downside in this whole period, was actually a very good buying opportunity here in October last year. Had you bought XRP, let's say at the bearish flip here, the confirmation here, and had you held XRP through, then you could have made significant profits, as you can see over here. Now let me show you two more examples. Also here in April 2025, we had the bearish flip where the ribbons went from above to down below. And we went fully overextended over here to this point. So had you bought XRP in this zone from the bearish flip until overextension to the downside, this whole period was a very lucrative buying opportunity. Let's say that you bought XRP over here, you could have made significant profits. Or let's say you bought somewhere here around the lows, significant profits here. And let me show you one more. So also here in June, we had the bearish flip of the ribbons, and we were overextended in this period. Had you bought XRP somewhere in this range here, you could have made significant profits as well. So I'm showing you this just to show you that actually buying XRP whenever the daily EMA ribbons are overextended to the downside or whenever we see the bearish flip is usually a very good buying opportunity if you're willing to hold XRP or crypto for at least a few more weeks to come. Now, right now, guys, we're seeing the same thing. We had the bearish flip actually on the 13th of October, and we are right now fully overextended to the downside on the daily EMA ribbon. So yeah, according to past performance, this could actually be a very lucrative buying opportunity. This whole zone for XRP is actually, in my personal opinion, a very good opportunity. Typically, there's a lot of fear whenever we see that bearish flip or whenever the ribbons are fully extended to the downside. There's a lot of fear typically in the markets. Then right now, the same thing. We are at peak fear levels. There's not much retail interest, and we're seeing that bearish flip. We are overextended to the downside. So what I expect here to happen for XRP, I could be totally wrong, but it's at least a significant rally. Let me make this black because otherwise you can't see it. But it's at least a significant rally to the upside. Huge reversal. That is what I believe could happen. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but if you're willing to hold for a few weeks, I think you could be very well off compared to people that are actually selling here into fear, that are right now panicking. That is not the smartest thing to do, in my personal opinion. Not financial advice. There are many other indicators and metrics that I showed you as well. Make sure to watch my previous videos. Also, if you want to buy or trade XRP or other altcoins, I would highly recommend you to do that over on Phemex or AscendEX. Use my links down below in the video description to claim huge welcome bonuses. Another benefit from my specific links is low trading fees. Check it out if you're interested. For now, I want to thank you all for watching, for the support. I still think that November, December could be amazing for crypto, maybe the end of October as well. I want to thank you for watching, for the support. See you very soon with another XRP update. Bye-bye.